Okay, here we go. Okay, we got a little bit of snow.
That was just freaking rude.
Hi, Zenny.
Alright, I'll try throwing this.
Yeah, it's gonna get lost really fast. I hope they don't break a tooth on it. It's gone.
Danny, go find it. Get it, Smudgy.
It
Oh,
just-
Smudgy, you just ran over it.
Are
Yay,
you
Smudgy.
Where's your balls then?
Go get the ball.
Oh my goodness.
You tucked your pants in really nice.
Uh-huh.
I didn't tuck mine in very good.
One of the keys. It doesn't really matter though because the snow's taller than my boots. So I could tuck my pants in beautifully, but I'm still getting snow in on my legs. He found it in the snow? If they don't see where it falls. Oh, okay. There, it kind of stuck out a little bit. It's full of snow.
It's heavy when it's full of snow.
Yeah, that's the big one.
Get it, then. Get it, Smudgy. All you have to do is pick it up and shake it.
Yeah. I missed it.
Hey, Smudgy.
They really have to, Shelties really have to work to get through this. Ah. What is
It
it?
goes skidding and then covers it with snow.
There's
Find it,
them.
Ben.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm.
Now you can take me with my foot on.
I think it'll be fine. Whew.
Go find it. Right there. Yeah. Good boy. Right there, Danny. Come on, Smudgy. I don't think you can kick it in this.
No, I don't think so. You're not going to get anything but snow. I might be able to. I'm pretty good at kicking it.
Oh, did you get that?
No. Did he catch it?
Yeah. Come on, Danny. Come on, Danny. Come on, Danny. Come here. Done. Bring it, Smudgy. Thank you, Smudgy. Go find it, Danny. A holy ball full of snow.
It sure is.
Shake it and it all comes out.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, Zen. You almost caught that.
Oh, Questy got a mouthful of snow. Holy ball full of snow.
He used to throw snowballs at my dog,
Shake
and
it,
she'd catch
it
them
comes out on Saber.
when I was a
Oh
kid.
my gosh, you should see Saber.
Come closer.
Oh,
Where'd it go?
it ended up over here. I tucked my hand.
And it ended up behind me?
Yeah.
At least you didn't hit me with it. You show up really well in the snow in your red coat. It's frozen in there? You got it. Oh man, if it's frozen, how are they going to pick it up?
Well, it's a little soft. Come on, Betty. Smudgy. Go around. Stop it.
Okay. What?